Grounded. Parliamentary committee expresses concern about Vernonfield Airport project. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, family in grief. Father of children killed in Mobe crash mourns his daughters.
Transport changes. Minister lists riveting proposals at another consultation meeting.
No Buller work. Integrity watchdog to oversee government's billion-dollar road and beautification works.
Who approved that? Universal Service Fund in the spotlight again.
And in business news, relief at the pumps. Gas prices fall to 7-month low.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what challenges do you have with public transportation in your area?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.